What's up everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Jordan 5's. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to lace the right and the left shoe. So we're going to start by taking the lace down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. Just bring the lace a little way up into the shoe and then flatten out your lace when you take it across the front and down through the opposite first hole. Again, just bring it up a little way into the shoe, and then to make sure that the laces are the same length, just bring your ends together and pull up. Just like that. If your lace does twist a little bit at the front, just pull it out on the one side and pull it back down again. And then I'm going to loosen off that lace to give that a nice loose look. So we're going to start with the outside lace first. We can get across the shoe to the second hole on the inside. Okay, if you catch the lace on your finger as well, you can make sure that you've pulled out any twists. And when you bring it down as well, it can help you to get that loop over the top of the hole. So just to show you as well that I'm using the holes that are closest to the edge here. Then we're going to take the inside lace, bring that across the shoe to the outside second hole. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the third hole on the inside. Then take the inside lace, bring it across to the outside. And then just keep those loops nice and loose as well. What you can do is just open up the shoe and it'll stretch the loops across. Just make sure that they're overlapping. And then take that outside lace across to the inside. Just check that those laces have come through underneath nice and flat as well. They're quite thick, these laces, and sometimes get a little bit twisted underneath the hole. Then take that inside lace across to the outside. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it across to the inside. And take the inside lace across to the outside. Then bring it across to the inside. And take the inside lace across to the outside. And then I'm just going to pull out the shoe one more time. And then we're going to take the outside lace, going to bring it around the collar, and we're going to put it down that first hole close to the edge. Just bring it round and down. And take the inside lace, do the same, bring it round and down that first hole. And check that your laces, I'm just going to pull that one in a little bit. Check your laces are the same length as each other and you're ready to put the lace lock through. So make sure you've got the curve sticking outwards, push down your button and thread your two laces through. Just like that. So there you've got your loosely laced Jordan 5, and as you can see we've got that nice loose lace look all the way down with your loops. So let's move on to the left shoe. So with the left shoe I'm going to be starting with that first hole on the outside of the shoe to make sure that the laces on the shoes match each other. So I'm just going to pull the lace up a little way into the shoe and then pass the lace across the front, flattening it out. And then bringing the lace down through that first hole on the inside. And then again, we're going to make sure that our laces are the same length by putting the ends together and pulling up. Just like that. So again, I'm going to loosen this off. And then we're going to start with the outside lace across to that second hole on the inside, bringing the lace down into the hole, catching it on your finger to keep it nice and flat, a loop across the hole, and to get rid of any twists. Inside lace comes across to the outside. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it down through the inside third hole. Just checking that lace hasn't got twisted underneath. Then take the inside lace across to the outside. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it across to the next hole on the inside. Just flattening that out as I go. Then take the inside lace across to the outside. And I'm just going to pull the shoes out to make sure that the laces have overlapped and they are the same as each other. This one's a little bit wide, so I'm going to pull it in. And this one. So I'm going to take the outside lace then across to the inside. Then get inside lace to the outside. And then the last bit of the lacing here on this lower bit is taking the outside lace to the inside. And then the inside lace comes to the outside. And then keep that lace in your hand and bring it around to that first hole on the collar. So take it round and down. And take the inside lace across, first hole on the collar. Check your two laces are the same length as each other. And then we take the little button, push it down, thread your laces through the lace lock, just like that, and then pull out your shoe just to make sure you're happy that all the laces are the same. They've got that really great loose lace look about them. And there you got your loosely laced Jordan 5. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your Jordan 5 loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.